Hola friends, welcome back to another show. Today we are going to continue working on this letter. And I bet by now you already know what letter this is. Do you remember what letter it is? That's right, it's the letter F. Can you say F? Great job. So our first goal for today is identifying the upper and lowercase letter. So this letter up here is the big uppercase letter F. That's a big letter F. And this letter right here, I'm going to move it down. This red letter is the lowercase letter F. It's the little letter F, okay? So we've already mastered our first goal. And the next goal we're going to do today is following simple directions. All right, so guess what, friends? We're going to do another arts and craft today, okay? And guess what we're going to do? Da, 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 da. We are going to finger paint the letter F. So guess what that means? Today, you are going to need some paint, okay? And you are going to use paint to finger paint. That means you're going to use your fingers to paint today. And do you know why we're using our fingers to paint today? Because we're talking about the letter F. So fingers start with the letter F, okay? So I'm going to move up my little writing and I'm going to move over my paper. So let's talk about the materials you're going to need today. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper, okay? And then the next thing you're going to need is some paint, okay? So you're going to need some paint and you're going to need a piece of paper, okay? So while you're going to get that, I'll go ahead and get my paint ready. So you go get your paint and I'll go ahead and get mine ready. Paint and paper. That's what you'll need today. Paint and paper. All right, friends. So I'm going to put some of my paint inside of my little paint container so that it'll be easy for me to grab it and show you how to paint the letter F, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit of paint inside of each of these little circles and then we'll get started painting. You can use one color or you can use as many colors as you want. All right. Whoa, that was a lot of green there. All right. Gonna do some purple. All right. And some red. And then I'm going to try to do some orange. I want to do some different colors for you all so you can see a few different color letter F's. See if I can get my orange paint out of here. And remember, you guys can use as many colors as you want. You don't have to use all the colors that Miss Bacon's using. I'm just giving you an example. All right, and I've got one more color, and it's going to be yellow. It's going to be yellow. All right, friends, I think that I am ready. So we're going to go ahead and use our fingers to finger paint the letter F, okay? All right, so what we're going to do first is we are going to talk about how to make the letter F. And we are going to do uppercase letter F's, okay? So when you make the letter F, the first thing you're going to do is make a straight line down, okay? And then after you make that straight line down, you're going to make a line across. Oops. You're going to make a line across at the top and across in the middle. So let me show you what that looks like. The first color I'm going to use is green. So I'm going to stick my finger in the green because remember we're finger painting. And I'm going to make a straight line down. Okay? And then I'm going to make a line over at the top and a line over in the middle. And that is how you make an uppercase letter F. All right? Now I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use blue now, and I'm still finger painting. So I'm going to use blue, and I'm going to make a straight line down. I'm going to get some more blue paint. Make a straight line down. And then I'm going to make a line over at the top. And a line over in the middle. And there's another uppercase letter F. And remember, we are finger painting. Now, I'm going to use the color red, R-E-D, red. And I'm using my finger. I'm going to make a straight line down. A line over at the top. And a line over at the bottom. Wow, look, I have 1, 2, 3 letter Fs. And they're all uppercase letter Fs. Now, I'm going to make a lowercase letter F, okay? So you're actually going to help me. But first, we're going to talk about how to make that letter F, the lowercase. So first, we're going to start out with the curve. And we're going to go around for this curve. Then we're going to go straight down, okay? So we're going to start up here, go around and straight down. And then we're going to make a line across, okay? So are you ready? Great. I'm glad you are. So let's go ahead and stick our fingers again inside of the paint because remember, we are finger painting. So this time, I'm going to use my purple. And remember, whoa, my purple is really, really runny. You know what? That purple's not going to work. It's making a big mess already. So how about instead of purple, I use orange, okay? All right, so we're going to start with a curve. Okay, we're going to start with our curve. There we go. There's Miss Bacon's curve. And we're going to take it straight down, okay? Take your curve straight down. Just like that. Okay, so curve and straight down. And then you're going to do a line across. Just like that. All right, and then I'm going to use another color. So the next color I'm going to use is my green so that you can see it. So we're going to do another curve. And then we're going to go straight down. Then we're going to go across. Just like that. All right, and we are working on our lowercase letter F. Now, we're going to do one more color, and I'm going to do my blue. We're going to start with the curve. And take it straight down. Curve and straight down. And then you're going to go straight across. Just like that. I bet you are doing a great job. I love it. So you should have practiced with me making the uppercase letter F's, which are at the top of our page, and then the lowercase letter F's, which are at the bottom of our page. And today we finger paint it. We paint it with our fingers because finger paint starts with the letter F. Friends, I hope you had fun today because I enjoyed teaching you how to finger paint the letter F. And if you had a lot of fun, you can watch this video all over again. Make sure you even share it with your friends. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.